Hey y'all, welcome to Backwoods Crafting with Alicia. Maybe this thing will stay there. Uh, Happy Wednesday, guys. I hope y'all have had a good day. We are going to jump right into this craft. I've already painted the base with the night sky blue and the Waverly chalk paint. So we've already done that. So what we're doing is I got my chicken stencils in. These are not chalk couture. I believe I got these on Amazon's where I got them. So we're going to go ahead and get started because we have to paint all three of those jars. This is our base for our wall hanger. And we have some homespun picked out. So let's pull this napkin over to the side. And I still have rub and buff underneath my fingernails. One of these has white. Hey, Bonnie. Hey, guys. Hey, Miss Ann. Gracious alive. My goodness. That was hard to get off. How have y'all been doing today? I hope y'all have had a good day. That's not going to work. I thought it would. It's not. We'll just use this one. Hey, Natalie and Tammy. Hey, my bestie. How y'all doing today? Joey, you all right over there? I'm beginning to wonder. So I'm hoping not to hold y'all no more than about 30 minutes. I've been trying to do 30-minute shows. That way I'm not holding y'all too long. I do have to buy some white paint though. I do. Get back on there. Tomorrow at 3 o'clock, I will be live in the stocking challenge. Thank y'all for sprinkling. Hi, Miss Kathy. Miss Kathy, I got your Christmas card. I don't know if you saw where I couldn't inbox you. You have to be able to. You have to follow me in order for me to message you. And I couldn't find a message. Hey, Miss Carolyn, how are y'all doing today, guys? Chemo made it in today, so I've already taken that. Went ahead and took it so if I get sleepy, I could take a nap. Hello, everybody. Come on in here. The longer, the better. Oh. All right, so we're going to do the sides of it real quick. And I sat here and I thought, am I putting makeup on today after I got through with my hair? I said, no, I'm not. Will you check? I can't message you. So I just commented. I found your comment and commented to tell you thank you that I had gotten it. And we love it. Thank you so much. It rained here last night, guys. Can you believe that? Not in Southeast Texas. Hey, Martha. And hi, Annette. Hi, y'all. Come on in here. I was fixing to see if Brother Ford might make me a cup of hot cocoa. Would you, my love? He's home today. They came home early. They can't cross over a pipeline until the pipeline man comes out. So he has to come out. And we're going to go ahead and paint the sides of this. And I'm shaking. Hi, Miss Anita. It did too. It hasn't rained today, though. Or I say it hasn't. I haven't seen it. And it might have, but I hadn't been looking for it. Sure haven't. and it goes to getting cold weather, I just shut the curtains, especially when it's cold and rainy weather. I just shut the curtains, turn the heater on, put on some crime show where they're trying to solve somebody's you know what, and then I just vegetate. Hey, Pearl and Rita. Hi, y'all. I promise we're gonna do some stuff with these little jugs. I got these little pieces from Sheen, is where I got these from. And we're gonna use these farmhouse stencils because everybody's starting to do some Valentine's stuff. I don't do Valentine's. I love Valentine's, and Joey, he knows not to go buy any roses. That if he wants to buy roses, he can buy me a rose bush to plant out in the yard so I can see it bloom all the time. That's my kind of Valentine. That's easy for him. Now, if he wants to buy me some chocolates, he can go buy me a big old Kit Kat or a big old Butterfinger. I love Butterfingers. Oh, it stopped here too. I'm so glad it stopped here. But yeah, he can go buy me a Butterfinger. I'm good with Butterfingers. I'm just saying. All right, let's try this a little bit so I can pick it up. And we're going to raise them up so that they're not flat on it because I'm going to add some little florals to it. I don't have any, do I have any spring florals? I think I do right over there inside that little deal. But I'm just going to stick what I have in it because we're going to be able to change the florals out. And the reason I done blue is because somebody's kitchen might be done in blue. And so it may not, I don't know, but I figured I'd do something different. So I used the blue, and we're going to have the white jugs. Oh, I should have done the sides of this first. Honey, would you? You didn't hear me ask a while ago? A cup of hot cocoa, please. Oh, I bet so. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank y'all for the hearts. I finally got the Facebook where they updated everything, and now I can see y'all's hearts. Used to, I couldn't see y'all's hearts at all. I'm finally glad they got done with it. But you will be able to pull the flowers out and add different ones for different times. All right. That's all we're painting white. Now, thank you for the 5 stars. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. I think that's 17. Hey, Miss Ivy. Thank you, though. So tomorrow is the stocking challenge. And so I've already got my stuff together, the things that I have to use on the stocking. I can't neither. Hi, Kimberly. I can't neither. We're not even ready at all. This year it just doesn't seem like it's Christmas. Does that make sense? All right. Now we are. I want to put the blocks in the same spot. So I think what I'm going to do first is I'm going to go ahead and do my little string first. Nope. There we go. Because I do want to cover that up. And we can just put a little bit of glue right there to get started. And this is going to be a wall hanger, not a wall hanger. Oh no, oh my God. Miss Pearl and them, they have blizzard warnings. Oh my goodness, Miss Pearl. No, honey. I am not good with blizzards at all. I'm not good with rain, much less a blizzard. Much less a blizzard. Miss Pearl, do y'all have like a fireplace plus central air? Is that what y'all have? Because I tell Joey, I was like, oh my gosh, I don't understand how everybody lives in all that cold weather. Because we watch that show with those men that I was watching last night, not axe men, mountain men. That's what I was watching. And there's some up in Utah. One of them goes back and forth to Alaska, but oh my goodness, y'all. It is terrible, terrible, terrible. I don't know if I could do that or not. I would be freaking out. And then this man, he gets out there and there's wolf packs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I think's what I done. Oh, I hear that coffee pot. That'll work. You have an electric forced air furnace. Oh, so it goes by, is it natural gas or something? I don't like the cold. I like the coolness, but I don't like cold weather. Now, I will say when it snowed last January, Joey and I, we went and got in the hot tub. Why not? I'd never done it before, right? Never done it before at all, and neither had he. So we went and got in the hot tub. It was nice. Y'all, he quit on me. I don't know why he don't do comments anymore. There we go. Hey, Miss Carolyn. My day's been good, girl. I've had a fantastic day. My chemo came in today, so I took it. And it'll take a few month or two, I hope, for me to start feeling better. Just when I started feeling really, really good, it's like when they finally got it into remission is when, we need to do this first, is when I started feeling good. And then, oh, wax. Oh, am I going to wax it? I don't think I am. But I do got to fuzz it. Trying to make sure I have it straight right in the middle. And I'm going to use my finger. So I hope I don't offend anybody. I like the cold weather as long as I can bundle up. But I ain't fixing to go outside. And these are, I'm going to try to make sure they're all straight as possible. That looks pretty straight. Hey, something else. Will you stir my hot cocoa up and bring me a bowl of water before I start doing these stencils? Because I have to put them in some water. Just pat it on my belly. You'll see my belly, my flubber. All right. Please, let's try to keep this one straight too. Trying to judge it. All right, here we go. All right, gotta have some water. Please, sir. I gotta have a bowl of water, please, sir. Please. Oh, wait, you know what? I can do it with, let's see, just do it with this. And this is like a kind of a sparkle black. Hang on and I'll tell y'all what it is. Shimmer something. Shimmer shadow, I think's what it says. Okay, I got it. And will you stir my hot cocoa up, please? And I'm just going to do this with my finger because I don't have any success any other way. So let's hope it works with my finger. Thank you, sir. You are wonderful. Don't care what your sister says about you. She don't say nothing. Just wanted to see if I could get a reaction out of him, and I didn't get one, so. Can you imagine? Wait a minute. I was fixing to do it, y'all. And I like to stick them right. I can't see, y'all. I like to stick them right in the water just as soon as we're done. That's how you take care of them. Oh, it worked. It did. Oh, that works better with my finger than it does any other thing. Get in there. Come on now. Well, if it'd turn loose, are you for real? There we go. Now, let's move on to the next one. Let me show y'all. It worked out so pretty. Isn't that pretty? It says rise and shine, y'all. All right, let's go to the next one. And again, I'm just pushing it in with my finger because it seems to work better that way for me. There we go. Hang on. I don't want to get black on this finger over here and then get it everywhere else. All right. Hey, the oven's hot. You can put you something in there to eat. You hear me? I said the oven's hot. You can put you something in there to eat. We're eating quick stuff tonight. Corn dogs and pizza. Which I like corn dogs and pizza, so I'm cool with it. All right. I don't quite know where to put my fingers at. Yay! That one done good too. Alright, let me show y'all. That one done good as well. Yay, yay, yay. This one is not straight, so we've got to fix that. Honey, what are you doing over there? Oh. You can eat that one. What are you cooking on? I'm lazy because I don't want to wash dishes. I get a piece of tin foil and put it in the oven, and then I put it on top of the tin foil. Thank you. Hey, Jennifer. Thank you. Thank y'all so much for sprinkling this video out. So if you don't mind, guys, fish this video out for me. All right. The more y'all sprinkle me out, the further I go. Tin foil's on the other side of the dish drainer. I keep it close. So the tin foil's on the other side of the dish drainer. I keep it close. Oh, I hope I didn't get that on there. Yep, I'm lazy. I don't want to wash dishes. So I try to do everything the easy way. You don't want to mess up your pan, put some tin foil in it. Well, I don't. Joey, what did give me that? How did you do that?
I just pulled it out. That's the way it turned out.
Oh my goodness, that's a lot of tin foil wasted. Look right here, it's squished at the end. My word. How in the world did this happen? Well, come back here. You're just going to have to keep it away from that end. Now you're going to put it in a pan. Just put it in a pan now. Lord have mercy. Look under the cabinet. Look in the stove under that deal at the very bottom. There's pans. Yes, there is. Yeah, there is. Oh, that one turned out pretty too. That pan's not gonna work. Have y'all ever? Hang on, y'all, just a second. Let me go find him a pan. He is tripping out. Why didn't you break it in half? The tinfoil you got it on's just fine. Put it in there. Oh, heavens. Are y'all having trouble raising your husbands? Hello, handmade in Springstead. Hello, hello. Welcome. Let's get these dry, and then we'll get our blocks added to the back of it. And then we'll get those added. We'll get our greenery stuck in it, because we're just going to stick some greenery and maybe some red berries, because it's just going to be, you know, for show. I know I'm the one that told you to do it. I'd have some cocoa. Hot cocoa is so good. All right, let's start doing our blocks. Let's put one there and one there. And I want to put them on the corners. That way you can put your flowers in the middle of it.
I put you one in there too.
A corn dog?
No.
You put me in my own pizza? Oh, yes. I don't do cheese pizza with the stuffed crust cheese. I'm not a big cheese person anyway, but I hope I'm not running it across my hot cocoa. I probably am, and I did. Have y'all ever drank glue strings? All right. They feel like spider webs. And I got one too many out. I'm hungry too. I could eat that whole pizza. I haven't eaten anything today. I made him smothered fried chicken last night with rice and green beans. All right, here we go.
You got one little small piece in the freezer.
Okay. I kind of like it like that. That's kind of how I like it. And I think that looks good up against that blue too. You love cheese? Hey, Hope. Girl, we use paper plates. Yes. Alicia gets tired of that mess. I had a mama that worked, and so it was Alicia's duty to do the dishes and cook dinner when she had to work. I had little brothers. So when I can take a day off from cooking or doing any of that stuff, I'm taking a day off because I've been doing it for so many stinking years. You know, us older girls, we had to, kind of pick up where our moms left off if we had single moms. And I did. She was single. Not by her choice, I mean, of course, but we just kind of picked off. I picked up where she left off. Let me show y'all. Isn't that cute? And we used paint sticks for the base. Now, I do have some little white lace because, of course, I want to girlyfy it a little bit. So we have some white lace. And we're going to make cute little bows real quick. Boy, they don't put a whole lot of that on there. Just a yard. That is it. Man, I like to use this lace. I need to put more than a yard. So, I have my stuff ready for tomorrow. I'm excited for that. And I want little bows on each one of the little jars. My belly's growling. All right. And before I glue it, I'm going to try to make sure all the bows are the same size. And this lace is wanting to curl up. Isn't that wonderful? Yay. It's just right there on that end. So I'm totally stoked for tomorrow. Totally stoked. All right. One more, and then we'll start adding some florals. Almost a whole stinking yard. All right. We will have to have a hanger, so I want to redo this one. It's because of that wrinkle. See, it still wants to wrinkle up. Well, that's as good as it's going to get today. Hello, Miss Cindy Clark. Happy anniversary. 51 years. Oh, my goodness. That's a lot of years to be raising a husband, isn't it? I bet Joey thinks he's raising me, but I'm really raising him. That is too stinking cute. Oh, we've hit our 30-minute mark. Let's do this one now. Open that door. It is hot. I turned the heater off a long time ago. Oh, I just love it. Let me show y'all. Look how stinking cute that is, y'all. Isn't that adorable? Okay, now, I just want to stick greenery. I'm not going to do like a whole bunch of... I just want to put a couple of little sprigs of greenery in each one to give you an idea of what you could do with it. And then I got to rip some material. I don't want to take that off just yet. To make a bow for the top. And since it's Christmas and winter time, I figured I would put winter florals in it. Let's see if we have to... Oh, I might have cut an extra one. Cool beans. Look, and you just be able to just put them down in there. You don't have to worry about... Do it just like that. Let me show y'all. And that's how it's supposed to go, guys. And now I don't know if it needs a bow or not. Maybe so. There we go. Oh, I think it's cute. Now, let's just add some color to it on each one. Just a little. Thank you so much. I don't think I'm going to make a bow for the top. I don't think it needs one. And again, we're just decorating it because it is Christmas time. And you want to be able to take the florals in and out, so we're not going to glue them in because springtime's going to be coming and you're going to want to change those out and put some spring flowers in it. Hang on. And there we go, guys. I think that's my craft for y'all today. What do y'all think about that? I don't think it needs another bow either. I think it looks beautiful just like it is. I might do some jute string at the top, maybe. Maybe. I don't know if I will, because I kind of like it like that and just do a hanger. What do y'all think? You think we ought to put some string around the top of it to kind of bring that jute up? But we won't glue it, but we'll put some around it and see what we think about it. Just to kind of give it that little more. Oh, I think that's exactly what it needs. Just to give it a little more. Let me show y'all. Of course, we need to pull it up some, but heavens. Well, heavens to Betsy. See, look, I think it would look good too. Thank you so much. So I think we will put some string at the very top, and then we're going to call this craft completed. And again, the florals can be swapped out with spring coming. I will look and see where if I have some spring flowers. And if I do, I will swap them out and put some spring ones in there. Especially with spring coming up. Valentine's is coming up. Yep, I think I like it. And that brings that jute up. And then what I'll do is I will use the big jute cord and I'll make the hanger out of that so that it has a good hanger. Oh, that looks good, guys. What do y'all think about it? Thank you, Denise, my friend. Look, yeah. Just a cute little farmhouse piece that you can remove your flowers and do over anytime that you want to. Every season, it'll look good with the fall flowers, you know, because they do the fall blue leaves and stuff. Hey, Michelle, thank you. But this is my craft for y'all today, guys. I love y'all. Y'all be sweet. Tell somebody you love them. Hug somebody. Smile at somebody. You never know what that would do for them. Don't forget to tell them about Jesus and tell them that Jesus loves them. And we are going to call this done. Thanks, Miss Charlotte. And we will see y'all tomorrow at 3 o'clock. It's Stocking Challenge Day, and I'm excited about it. So I will see y'all later. Bye, guys. Thank you.